What is up? My name is Wayne, this is Fade to Black, and I'm going to show you how I install vinyl visors on trucks. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, this is Wayne from Fade to Black. I've been wanting to show you guys this for a while. I wanted to show you how to install a vinyl visor strip. Of course, the vinyl visor strip goes on the outside of the vehicle. You lay it on the outside. It's not really that difficult, but sometimes you can run into a little bit of issues if you don't use any slip solution. Some people like to install dry. I like to install mine with just a little bit of solution underneath to let the film glide over it and not catch any air bubbles. I do a lot of tint visors, but you know, every once in a while you get that request for a vinyl visor. So this is Oracal 651 outdoor vinyl. We're gonna lay it on. We're gonna get installed a white vinyl on this white truck, so check it out. so that's how I install a vinyl visor when I'm doing them. Like I said before, some people do them dry. I like to just use a little bit of a solution to let the vinyl glide down really well. Or if you have any issues, you can lift it up and get the vinyl to stick back down pretty well. One thing can be a little bit tricky is lining it up if you're only doing it by yourself. So I try to put a little mark on both sides and try to keep it lined up as best you can. I use a little bit of tape and I do what's called the hinge method. So you put the tape in the middle and you hinge one side, lay it down, go to the other side, pick that up and lay it down. Another thing that I also like to do is put this in on my cutter machine, like a plotter, vinyl decal cutter. I like to put it in that and get myself a nice good rectangle, because if you can see the material that I had punched holes in it. Take that shape and just put it on the truck, and to me it works out better than have to try to cut a fine line that will be off or jagged or something like that. So I put my vinyl in a plotter, get myself a nice large rectangle about 60 inches to cover the whole top of the glass. Then I bring that to the truck and install. Now also in the past I've used Avery wrap vinyl, which is different than Oracal 651. Wrap vinyl, as you know, you wrap a whole vehicle with, but when you lay visors down in the wrap vinyl, it gives you a lot more options, a lot more colors, and that vinyl is a little bit more forgiving when you lay it down. But I used the Avery Gloss Pearl that matched really well with this GM color when I did a visor for another customer back in the day. So you got other options too on which type of vinyl that you want to use. Like I said, it's not that difficult, but with the vinyl, it's the vinyl will tack down really quick if you don't use any solution underneath it. It will stick to the glass, and sometimes it'll be ruined. So it's almost like a one-shot deal if you want to get installed without any imperfections or anything that the customer might see. So once again, man, hit that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, let me know what you think about the vinyl visors, or if you use them, or if you install them, or if you do any type of vinyl cutting. Let me know, and until next time, I'll be back with another video. Stay faded. Thanks for watching. Peace.